Hi tutors, my name is Ruben Becha, a co-founder at AAOptimalTutors, and today I'll be showing you guys how to sign up at AAOptimalTutors.com so you can start tutoring as soon as possible. First, you click on the sign up button on the home page, and then you input your details such as first name, last name, and email address. From here, you'll be prompted to check your email for an activation link, so you can verify your email. So head over to your email and you'll be given a temporary password as well as the activation link to verify your account. So now we're almost done. You just need to sign in with your temporary password. And the final step is to actually edit your profile. So here, just your time zone, the subjects that you teach, a bit about yourself in about 90 words, some of your qualifications, how many years of experience you have, what age groups you teach, your schedule, profile picture, and a certification of your listed qualifications. So this can be whether it's a diploma or a degree, just some formal proof of education. Thank you for being here, and I hope to see you guys tutoring at AAOptimalTutors as soon as possible.